Hi beautiful people, how you doing? How has your week started? Yangu kotu sawa, honestly. Nothing major happening, just you right now. So as you've seen from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a wash day, which is why I have this thing on my head. I will insert a clip where I show you how my hair was looking. It was really dry and crusty, so I'm just going to show you a few of the products, not all the products that I'm going to be using for this video. This video is not sponsored by VATIKA Afro Naturals, but they were so kind as to send me their products to try out, and I have been doing that on my IG Instagram, so please go and check if you've not been there already. So first things first, I already shampooed my hair, so I used my DIY black soap shampoo, which I will show you in another video, of course. And then now I'm just going to deep condition with this Dr. Miracle's Fillet Formula Deep Conditioner with jojoba oil and vitamin A and E. And then I'm also going to be using my Aunt Jackie's, yes, that's what I'm using. I'm going to mix the two because they're both almost over, and I don't know if your parents used to do that for you, but for me, my mom used to really mix our deep conditioners just so that tulikuwa tunaita treatment your time, our treatment, so that you can get full benefits. And then after that, I'm going to be using my Bentonite Clay. What do you think should go first, Bentonite Clay or this? Not sure. And then after that, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner again from VATIKA Afro Naturals. And then last but not least, I am going to be going in with my hair oil. This girl's hair needs some TLC, so that's that. My hair is super clean, so now I'm just going to begin with my deep conditioner from this the two that I told you that I'm going to mix together. Let's do that in here. It has peppermint, so it smells really nice, and my scalp is going to feel very nice. Okay, I'm going to time lapse you so that we can do this together. My entire head, I'm going to section my hair and then do it in sections. Cool. So now I'm all done. I've just sectioned my hair and then applied it all through while detangling. Now I did have a lot of shed hair and tangles because I had not washed my hair in a while, because again I was in wigs. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to see me. I'm right here. Yeah. Okay, so yes, so a lot of shed hair, hapana pale, and also a lot of tangles. My hair is really coily, so it tends to tangle very fast, and I have high porosity hair, so it got dry. So I'm going to put my shower cap on and give it 15 minutes. 15. Anyway, ready? It was way more than 15 minutes. Way more. Like 45. Nilianza kukula, nikawatch Melali. Anyway, so now I'm going to go in with my deep conditioning mask. This is the Bentonite Clay. It restores, nourishes, and nourishes dry, damaged hair. Mine was dry. Damaged? No. Still in sections. Just going to do that. We're not rushing through this process because we're giving our hair that TLC it needs. Let me time lapse you and then we can do this. Okay, so I'm done. 15 minutes. I'm going to give it 15 minutes and then come back and we can finish off. Hopefully it will be 15 minutes. I want to give it some more time. I'm thinking of doing a trim. I'm thinking of also doing a trim on my hair. My hair is in a really bad state, so I might do a trim. Not too major, just a little something because I'm attached to my hair and I'm scared of losing inches. So let me go give it 15 minutes and then come back. Anyway, ready, ladies and gents. I'm so tired, but almost there. So I'm in the last step. I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner, it's restorative. It has shea butter and coconut oil. It hydrates, softens, and restores moisture. All that good stuff, and it smells really nice. It smells like something you'd eat. So it smells really good. So I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner and then my VATIKA hair oil. I love this because it's not strong. It has shea butter, it has soybean oil. Cut off kidogo. Sorry, I got cut off kidogo. So I'm going to be locking in with, again, my leave-in and my hair oil. It has shea butter, soybean, so it strengthens, nourishes and locks in all the moisture that we've been putting on my head. So I'm going to again time lapse you so that you can see me doing the entire process. So of course you're going to see me apply this and then this. My hair is still in sections just to make it easier to work with. So so that's all for today's video. My hair is super moisturized. Let me come closer and show you. Moisturized and healthy. I promised to do more hair care videos, more natural hairstyles, so this is one of the hair care videos. It was fun. It was tiring. It was fun to just revive my hair. So that's all for the video. If you have any questions about the products, I will leave every product in the description box in case you missed it. Yeah, I will not include the prices because they vary depending on where you got them from, but I will leave a list of everything that I used, even the ingredients of my DIY shampoo. So yes, that's all for the video. I will love you and leave you and hope you have an amazing